Today we're continuing our series on Universal Orlando Resorts. Next stop, Cabana Bay Resort. Hello everybody, it's Traveling Joe, and today we're in the Cabana Bay Resort at Universal Studios Orlando. The Cabana Bay is one of Universal's prime value hotels. It features 2,200 rooms, including over 900 family suites. The resort is a throwback to the iconic beach resorts of the 50s and 60s. The vintage look is displayed throughout the resort, so if you like themed hotels, this is the place for you. If you're enjoying our videos, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell. Okay, let's get started. Our first stop is the lobby, where you'll be checking into your room. The lobby is the central hub of Cabana Bay. Most of the indoor amenities are located near or around the lobby. As you enter the lobby, the registration desk will be on your right. Check-in time is at 4 p.m. and checkout time is at 11 a.m. There are ATMs, car rentals, and luggage service at the lobby. There's also a vacation planning center where you can purchase park tickets. The Cabana Bay's lobby bar is called Swizzle Lounge. This is a great place to relax and have your favorite cocktail. And because it's so busy in this area, if you're a people watcher, then this is the place for you. The lounge features throwback cocktails and is open till midnight every day. Continuing on level 1, we come to the Universal Gift Shop. The Universal Gift Shop is the place to go to find all of your favorite Universal merchandise. Continuing on, we come to a Starbucks. This is where many people come to begin their day. It's conveniently located between the hotel lobby and the Bayliner Diner, and it can get pretty crowded. Next up is the Bayliner Diner. The Bayliner Diner is the main eatery at the hotel, and it features a gigantic dining area. It features a colorful retro style, and it's so large that you should never have a problem getting a seat. It is truly a unique setting, and there are multiple big screens where you can watch vintage commercials and TV. The Bayliner Diner is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There's a large selection of hot, cold, and on-the-go items. There are several different food stations offered at the Bayliner Diner. The diner features all of your favorite food items. The pizza station offers made-to-order pizza as well as pasta dishes. The deli offers all of your favorite deli sandwiches, like the Cuban and the grilled cheese sandwich. The grill offers hamburgers, chicken tenders, hot dogs, fries, and more. The international station offers jerk chicken, ahi tuna, and other favorites. There's also a salad bar right in the middle of the stations. And the Grab and Go offers a variety of cold drinks, snacks, cookies, cereals, and more. And finally we come to Shake's Malt Shop. This retro ice cream parlor serves up floats, smoothies, milkshakes, sundaes, ice cream, and more. And you can enjoy them while watching vintage cartoons. That takes care of level 1. Now let's move upstairs to level 2. On the second level, you'll find Jack LaLanne's Fitness Studio. Named after the famous fitness icon, this gym offers all the equipment you'll need. The fitness center has state-of-the-art equipment, and it also showcases Jack LaLanne's trophies and photos. Next up is Galaxy Bowl. The Galaxy Bowl features a restaurant and a vintage-style bowling alley. This is a very popular family attraction, so make sure to reserve your lanes early so you don't miss out on all the fun. There is a fee to bowl, but shoe rentals are included. Our next stop is the Game-O-Rama Game Room. Another great place for kids, the game room features all of your popular games. This retro arcade also features many classic games that you probably remember playing as a kid. Games such as Monopoly, Skee-Ball, and a claw machine. And like the bowling alley, there is a charge to play. That takes care of the indoor amenities. Now let's check out the hotel rooms. Cabana Bay has 8 different buildings. Buildings 1, 2, 3 include the Starlight Building, the Thunderbird Building, and the Castaway building. These three buildings have outside entrances. My room was in the Castaway building, so let's take a look. This room was a retro-style family suite. It included a kitchenette with a microwave, a fridge, a sink, and a coffee maker. The room is 430 square feet and features a separate living room area. The living room features a flat-screen TV, 2 chairs, and a sofa bed. The room features a colorful decor, keeping with the retro theme. Another nice feature is the partition, which separates the living room from the bedroom. The bedroom featured 2 queen beds with blue and orange nostalgic touches. There's also a second flat-screen TV located in the bedroom. This room can sleep up to 6 people, including the sofa bed. Families will really appreciate the space available in this room. The wardrobe features hangers as well as an in-room safe for your valuables. Another nice feature is the bathroom layout. In the middle is a large vanity and sink. To the left is a separate room with the toilet. And to the right you'll find another room with a sink as well as a shower tub combination with a shower curtain. As I mentioned, these rooms are perfect for families, and overall I was really impressed with the layout of the room. The 3 buildings in this area also share the Cabana Courtyard. The Cabana Courtyard features an extra-large swimming pool equipped with a 100-foot-long water slide. This pool is the larger of the resort's 2 swimming pools. The pool also features a zero entry, and there are plenty of lounge chairs to soak up the sun. This pool area is immense, and even though it can get very crowded, you never feel cramped. This pool is also noted for its iconic dive tower in the center of the pool. But the tower is strictly for show, you can't actually dive from it. The Cabana Courtyard also offers a hot tub. And there's a splash pad for the younger kids to enjoy. If you want some added luxury, you could rent a cabana. Please check with the hotel for its current prices. Towels are provided and they are self-serve. The Cabana Courtyard also offers food and drink options. You can grab a bite to eat at the Atomic Grill. The grill offers many of your favorites such as sandwiches and wraps, pizzas, chicken tenders, quesadillas, salads, as well as a selection of soft drinks. You can enjoy a cocktail at the Atomic Tonic Bar. The bar features many vintage cocktails and is open daily from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. It's the perfect place to get out of the sun for a few minutes and enjoy a nice cool cocktail. Moving on to the left side of the property, we come to buildings 4, 5, and 6. This portion of the hotel has interior rooms with hallways. Building 4 is the Continental, and buildings 5 and 6 are the Americana. The buildings feature a colorful tropical resort design. This area of the hotel definitely has a different feel than the area that we just looked at. The South Courtyard, also known as the Lazy River Courtyard, features a large swimming pool. While not quite as large as the first pool, there's still plenty of room for fun and enjoyment. It too offers a zero entry as well as a sandy beach nearby. There are also plenty of lounge chairs located in this area. This courtyard also offers a lazy river, however it is being refurbished at this time. It is scheduled to reopen toward the end of March. And like pool number 1, this pool also offers a large hot tub. Here you will also find the Hideaway Bar and Grill. This is the perfect place to get poolside beverages, food, and snacks. The Hideaway Bar and Grill is open daily from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. You'll find a wide selection of beer, wine, cocktails, and famous frozen cocktails like the Make-A-Rita and the Funky Monkey. You can also get burgers, sandwiches, and their famous Honolulu hot dogs. Finally, the last 2 hotel buildings are Buildings 7 and 8. Building 7 is the Bayside Tower, and Building 8 is the beachside tower. The bayside tower offers an entrance to Volcano Bay. If you have a vehicle, there are 2 parking garages and outside parking. The rate for hotel guests is $18 per day, plus tax. Cabana Bay also offers complimentary bus shuttle service to and from the parks. The bus stop is located just outside the Bayliner Diner. Night times are special at Cabana Bay. The buildings are beautifully lit and the resort takes on a fun vibe. There's still a lot to see and do. The pools are open late, and you can grab a drink at one of the pool bars. You can take a leisurely stroll around the property or sit at one of the fire pits. There are always plenty of activities well into the evening. If you enjoyed this video, please check out these other videos in our series on Universal Hotels. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. This is Travelin' Joe saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.